Hello, welcome back to Just Smell Better, the best fragrance channel in the world. Today, I got a package here from actually the TikTok shop, which is, you did not see that, you did not see my address. I'm gonna blur that out. But like I was saying, I got a package from the TikTok shop, which I usually don't buy from. The reasons are, first of all, I don't want to give a creator my commission for promoting something that they don't even like in the first place. And second of all, they usually don't got the best prices, but for this one, they did have the best prices and the fastest shipping time. So let's unbox Rasasi Hawas Tropical. I set up the mood. We have the light to fit the vibe of the bottle. So without further ado, let's get to it. I can't wait. This better not be a disappointment. I feel like it's gonna be a little bit of a hit or miss because it is a clone of Gaultier Beau Paradise Garden, which I don't like, but let's hope. Let's hope it's a little bit better. Usually I unbox colognes, like a lot of them, like all at once, a huge blind buying haul. But when I do like a video for just one dedicated cologne, I like to just chill and talk to you guys. Let me know any questions you guys have. I do plan on doing a little Q&A for another video. So let me know your questions in the comments below. It can be fragrance related or not, about my personal life, anything you want. But that's enough yapping. It did cost me, I'm pretty sure, $55. So, you know, a little bit expensive for a Hawas, but it is brand new. They're gonna have those high prices. Only TikTok had it and Beauty House, but Beauty House, they wanted me to spend $100 or more to get free shipping. TikTok gave me free shipping just for buying there, but here is the beautiful green Hawas bottle. I mean, just by the bottle alone, I had to pick it up for the beautiful coloring, the beautiful design. It's such an attractive looking bottle. They gotta look good, bro. I don't want no weird ass looking bottles like the Latafa bottles. So let's spray it. First impressions. Let's see how good it is. Okay, definitely, man, this is Le Beau Paradise Garden. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna drag it. I'm not gonna waste your time. This is Paradise Garden in a Rasasi Hawas bottle and name. This is the same thing. This is identical. This is, I mean, I'm not even gonna lie, like a one-to-one. I know a lot of people hate on that term, the one-to-one term, because they want to act sophisticated and pretend that they can tell any little difference. When in reality, if you wear Hawas Tropical and someone else wears Hawas, I'm already mixing them up because they smell so similar. If someone else wears the Le Beau Paradise Garden and you walk by the same person, they're gonna be like, why do these two people smell the same? Like, what are they doing? They're gonna be so confused. They smell pretty similar, bro. This right away, the fig note, the fig and the coconut note, definitely a little less, maybe, I don't want to use the word less synthetic because it is extremely synthetic, but I haven't gotten a headache yet, so that is a positive. Like the bottle says, this is extremely tropical, so definitely good for those beach days for you guys who, you know, right now are in summer vacation. I'm already out of school, so my summer vacation is just working. For me personally, for the beach, I would prefer Le Beau Eau de Toilette for the mornings and Le Beau Le Parfum for the nights. So I don't know where this one would stand. I'm just not the biggest fan of this DNA, so I feel like I'm not even gonna wear this one. I don't even want to give it a try. I will give it a try. I'm probably gonna take it tomorrow to the gym. With that being said, where would I rank this one compared to my other Rasasi Hawas? Somehow I ended up with 4 of these. I don't even know why. Like, I'm not even the biggest fan of the brand. You know me, I see a new cologne, I gotta buy it. You know, I gotta keep you guys updated on the newest releases. So I somehow ended with all of these, and I did purchase Rasasi Hawas Black, which I know I'm late to it. I know it released a while ago, but I gotta, at this point, might as well collect the whole Hawas line, and I don't even got the original one, so I'm gonna collect every single flanker before the original. That is wild. I don't even know if I should get the original at that point. So this just turned into, you know, a review to ranking my Hawas from worst to best. I guess the best one, it's gonna have to be, the best one's probably gonna have to be Rasasi Hawas Fire, and then Hawas Eyes, and then these two can fight it out. Obviously they're both brand new, so I haven't gotten a chance to wear them, but I think I'm gonna prefer Elixir over Tropical. I think for right now, I mean, this was spontaneous. I didn't plan this video, but like, I feel like this is a proper ranking. This one Smells like Windex cleaner, like a lemon Windex cleaner, like if you're spraying your tables, you're wiping them down, but it's not bad at all. A little bit spicy too. And then this one is more of like a fruity sweetness, so it focuses on the fruits, the apple, the plum, but it's just so refreshing. The name ice represents it well. This one, like I said, honey and that's it. Like like a vanilla honey dessert. It's a little bit creamy too, so I don't know how I feel about it. Definitely not my favorite type of DNA, my favorite style. It clones Jean Paul Gaultier Le Mille Elixir, which I'm not a fan of. Maybe Jean Paul Gaultier is the problem. Maybe their colognes are just not good, you know? So I mean, I'm happy with these instead of buying the higher, more expensive price for something that I'm not even gonna like. So back to Hawas Tropical, what would I give this out of 10? Probably like a 3 out of 10. I know I'm gonna sound like a big ass hater, and I know every TikToker is probably gonna be hyping this to the moon, but I'm gonna be honest, I got no reason to lie. I got no TikTok shop affiliate link. I got no commission link for this shit. I don't care if I sell samples of it or not. You guys can sample it, but I'm gonna be honest, this one's probably like a 3 out of 10. You know I don't like the Le Beau Paradise Garden DNA, and this one, same exact thing, 1-to-1. I don't use that word lightly, but it is a 1-to-1. The main focus, the creamy coconut, the refreshing watery aspect with the mintiness, and of course the fig fruity note. But yeah, Q&A coming soon, maybe for 5,000 subs or maybe even sooner, so make sure you let me know your questions in the comments. And I guess this was my Rasasi Hawas ranking video. Thank you for watching. You can sample all of these. Actually, I do got the Rasasi Hawas Discovery set, which just includes these 3. But if you're planning to get the Hawas Discovery set, it is gonna come now with Hawas Tropical. So if you want to sample my colognes, the link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Just smell better.